Oh, so guys, today it's raining. So but I have to study anyway, so I'm just cooking something here. So when I'm done cooking, I will go to the study venue and study until, I don't know, maybe around 4 or 5. So I will do that. I think I will start until around 4 or 5 if I'm done here. And time now it's 10:30. So I think I will be done around 11:30 since I have to take a shower also. So I'll do that. Go and start. At least I have covered much. I have covered much, so there's only few things left to cover in that physics thing. So I think by Friday I will be good for the exam, but we will see. So and at the moment I'm watching this gym. At the moment I'm watching this episode. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. The time now it's 12:20, so I'm done with everything that I was doing. So now I'm going to the study venue. There's nothing much happening this week. It's just preparing for the upcoming exam, which is on Monday, the 8th of June. So that's all. That's it, and it's the last exam. So that's the only thing that I'm busy with right now, practicing. So there's nothing much, just practicing the physics, preparing, getting ready for the exam. That's it. So now I'm done. It's time to go to the study venue and study. At least the rain has stopped, so this is giving me a chance to go to the venue since the rain has stopped. So so coverage and so okay. Some inch five cents or so, because like in the notes I got notes was kupela, so but I think I will finish them today. Just that I have to take notes and practice. Then when I'm done taking notes, I have to go through them, so I would have an understanding on what they are all about. But all at the same time, since I'm practicing on the other side, so I'm also gaining knowledge about what's in the notes. So let's go. So guys, I'm coming from the study venue just to eat something. I'm coming to the study venue, guys, to eat something, and I'll go back and study again. I'm hungry. So guys, now it's 5 to 8, and I'm going to the library. I'm going to the library to continue and study, because this week is about that. It's about that, and I'm afraid of what happened last week, because I was so under pressure last week. So yeah, I was so pressured, working under pressure last week, because I was writing on Thursday and Friday. And on Thursday I was writing zoology. On Friday I was writing maths. So you can just imagine that pressure. You can just imagine that pressure to balance everything, to balance those two modules, and at the same time the other one has a lot of notes, a lot of things to cram, while the other one needs more practice. But we made it through, We made it through. We did manage to make it through. But now, the only thing left is this physics exam, and then after that, umuntu uzogoduka. So I just hope ayibi nzima because last week exams, the two exams of physics and maths and zoology, even though I was under pressure, but the exam was fine. The exam was fine. So I just hope even the physics goes the same way. So yeah. Now I'm coming back from the library. I'm done for the day. Actually, I'm not done for the day, because I'll continue taking notes, and if I finish them, I will start writing. Just remembered, today is my mother's birthday. It's my mother's birthday, and it's 12 a.m. in the morning. So I'm thinking of to call her in force, just to wish her happy birthday. Nothing much. But I will hope she will pick up. I don't know, but I guess she is asleep. So yeah, I hope she will pick up. But I guess she is asleep. Just leave a message if she is really asleep. So yeah. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Also leave a comment. Yeah.
Do you all read about this or hear this? That you used to go up on Mulholland Drive and park
every night
and visualize seeing yourself as.
Yeah, I would visualize.
This is when you were broke and poor.
Right, having directors interested in me and people that I respected saying, I like your work or whatever that is, and I would visualize things coming to me that I wanted or whatever. Drive home and think, well, I do have these things. They're out there. I just don't have a hold of them yet, but they're out there. I wrote myself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered, and I gave myself 5 years, or 3 years maybe, and I dated it Thanksgiving 1995. Just before Thanksgiving 1995, I found out that I was going to make $10 million.
I'm tired now. I'm tired, so I think it's enough. It's enough for the day. I think it's enough for the day, so yeah. We'll see tomorrow. Let me just pack my stuff. But at least I'm almost done with notes. Tomorrow I will be wrapping up the notes. Yeah, tomorrow I'll be wrapping up, so yeah. And with the calculations, I think I'm covered with calculations. I think I'm covered. But yeah, man, I just can't wait. Kube ngumvulo. After the paper, because after the exam, I just miss home at this point. I just miss home. But yeah, what can you say? We need to pass this, and we need good marks on this. We not just need to pass. We need good marks out of it. So that's why we're putting a lot of pressure. That's why we're putting a lot of pressure, because we are not just wanting to pass. Yeah, we are not just wanting to pass, but good marks.